Åseda, Sweden, the location for FT-Produktion. Founded in 1983. Today there are around 25 employees. FT-Produktion is specialized in producing components and spare parts in aluminium for a wide range of companies like Volvo, Scania, Renault, among others. FT-Produktion had considered for a long time to invest in a robot in order to increase productivity. Inspired by a local mini-fair arranged by the distributor Edströms, they finally decided to do it. The investment means the rationalization of production with fewer hands and higher pace of manufacturing. At the same time, the robot gives a high flexibility and fast conversion from one production line to another. The flexible cobot cells consist of 3 parts, each of which is unique. Together they work extremely effectively as one unit. Universal Robots, the ARM, world's #1 collaborative robot. Safe, flexible, easy to program and fast to set up. It provides cutting-edge products to customize a UR+ robot application that perfectly meets your requirements. OnRobot RG2 dual gripper. Just plug and produce. It is easy to program and the fingertips can be customized. It is very adaptable. The same gripper can be used for different size objects and the dual gripper makes the cycle time shorter. And finally, ProFeeder from EasyRobotics, which is a compact modular robot cell. By adding several movers, the operator can stack the components when it suits him, and not when the machine stops and waits for load. As a result, the factory saves time. The implementation went incredibly easy. After only a few days of training, they were ready to start, and it was just plug and produce. FT-Produktion saw right away how the new technology was more efficient. The machine operator moved from boring, repetitive manual work to more interesting tasks, like programming. Earlier we were doing the same things all over again. Today it's much more interesting. I'm free to move from programming the robot to other exciting tasks in the company. The combination of Universal Robots, OnRobot and EasyRobotics is extremely efficient. It quickly switches to other productions, either to other products on the setup or in conjunction with others and possibly older CNC machines. The entire changeover from totally manual work to this type of new technology has been well received by both the organization and the staff, and we expect that the entire cobot cell will have a return on investment in less than 9 months. Both EasyRobotics ProFeeder and OnRobot collaborative grippers are certified by UR+. This ensures high quality of integration to the UR robot arms. After installing the cobot cell, the working environment has improved. The production line is faster and much more cost-effective. This benefits their clients. It's exciting. We're going to look at several robotic solutions in the future. There are certainly more options we can program into the robot.